In the realm of AI, we're on the cusp of a significant transformation in the next 2 to 3 years. As AI systems refine their latency and quality, particularly with influencers integrating video calls and content creation, we anticipate a surge in adoption. Social media trends often cascade, with one major trend leading to widespread engagement. Currently, the primary barrier to broader adoption is the latency in AI system interactions. However, within the next 3 years, we anticipate overcoming this hurdle. Once this obstacle is surmounted, we foresee a notable increase in utilization. This development hints at a potential shift in the AI landscape, potentially influencing other companies like OpenAI and Humane to adapt their approach to compete with Meta's initiatives. Integrating cameras and advanced technology into glasses poses significant challenges. On another note, Rabbit recently unveiled their R1 device at a pickup event in New York, introducing an agentic AI platform similar to Meta's AI glasses. This unveiling marks a pivotal moment, generating excitement among users. Looking ahead, as the R1 device undergoes scrutiny from tech reviewers, we anticipate comprehensive feedback compared to previous AI releases. This is crucial, especially considering past disappointments where initial reviews were disregarded, leading to criticisms. The live demonstration of the R1 device offers a transparent view of its capabilities, dispelling skepticism often associated with product unveilings. This transparency is pivotal in meeting and potentially surpassing expectations set by the hype surrounding AI devices.
Check this out. Check this out. So now, the vision camera or the camera works with analog scroll wheels too. So I can just literally do that. It flips. Back and forth. Try one more time. It flips. Okay? So let's just do that. What's in front of you?
Let me see.
One.
Crowd of people.
I'm counting.
The image shows a large people.
That's sub 2 seconds after let me see.
Kind of event or concert, bright lights illuminating.
Okay? That's pretty fast. Or should I say this is the fastest out there, guys? Yeah. All right, so I post all my demos on Discord all the time. You guys know that, right? And thank you. It's been like I think much over 100 demos I posted during the last 104 days. But I saved one for you guys for today. Okay, just for today. This is a simple spreadsheet that my colleagues hand-drawn. And come on, I can do better than that. You guys know that, right? Again, I want to show you something much more interesting, okay? So let's just point right into this. So let's do something like, for this spreadsheet, transcribe it and swap the color and number column.
Taking a look now.
You don't need to point it, by the way, okay?
Please check your email for the attachment.
Wait, what? There's an email. Guys, check your watch. Check your watch. Okay, I want to make sure this is not a spam because it's called Rabbit. We got spammed a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put this down for a bit. It looks like it says, here's a revised spreadsheet you asked for. And it came with a little nice attachment in a CSV file. Let me just download it. Guys, R1 is real.
This isn't a sponsored promotion or anything like that. I believe this demonstration gives us a glimpse into the future of agentic AI. This on-device AI swiftly processes inputs based on what you're observing, as demonstrated by its quick email response, taking only around 5 to 6 seconds. This speed opens up numerous potential use cases, which is quite impressive. It also piques our curiosity about what OpenAI might be developing, considering their track record of being ahead of the curve by a year or two compared to other companies. It's clear that certain areas of the industry are more advanced with some companies than others. We are eagerly anticipating the reviews in the upcoming days to gauge if they echo the positivity seen in this live demonstration. So we hope you like this video. Subscribe for more interesting videos like this.